Staying students, this is Mr. Luft, your principal, with phase 2 of period 1 is done. Now what? Just to remind all students here that soon your staff will be going over your passing time expectations here at the Hive. Students will be limited in the passing of hallway time. Students will get 3 minutes, yes, 3 minutes to transition to their next class. We are asking you to limit locker usage. Please prepare 2 to 4 class periods at a time in your backpack to make sure that we get around the Hive. You will find this year that many teachers will not be handing out textbooks due to the 3 possible upcoming schedule scenarios. Also, please do not use the bathrooms until you arrive at your next class. Your teachers will be covering this schedule with you as it outlines how we will make sure that students safely pass during passing time. We have divided the passing time into 2 3-minute periods, a maroon and silver passing time. As many have already seen, we have clearly marked the floor with arrows and the staircases with one-way passageways. Please follow social distance guidelines of 6 feet or more. Stay on your side of the hallway. Staircases are marked as either up or down, and they are marked due to your safety. Yellow Medicine staff will be out and about assisting with you if you have any questions. We are encouraging all students to bring water bottles as we are limiting the usage of water faucets due to the spread of COVID. Please bring your own water bottles and make sure that you bring them home weekly for cleaning. One of the biggest changes is due to a construction project in the library area. Students' study halls are located in the upper north gymnasium area in the seating area. Students can gain access to this area down by the vending machines where you will see arrows clearly marked up the hallway that will lead to the upper mezzanine.